Gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL. The face value of the script is 10 rupees. The 52 weeks high 549, dated 21st of November 2019. 52 weeks low 252, dated 24th of March 2020. The closing price 376.35, dated 10th of July 2020. This is an 15 days data analysis. The resistance point is 396.75. Support is 370.35. That is as per the 15 days data analysis. The traded volume is pretty decent. This is 1 month data analysis. The resistance point is same 396.95. Support level is 355.25. Here the average traded volume is pretty decent. This is the 1 year graph. Here you can see the script is moving in a sideways movement at present. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, it is indicating neither in overbought nor in oversold situation. It's in middle. The Japanese candlestick chart. Here you can see the script BPCL. If it breaks the level of 402 rupees above, it will have a very big movement upside. If it breaks 355 downwards, then 292 is indicated. Below 292, the script is very weak. Let's assume the script is breaking. BPCL is breaking the level of 402 above. Then it can easily reach to the level of 454. Above 454, 513 is indicated. The important point to be noted, if the script breaks the level of 355 in coming near future, the next support level will be 292 only. Below 292, the script is very weak. The total study which we have made in this particular recording is based on the past performance of the script, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. The risk factor is there. Here I like to announce, we are not promoting any individual script or any company. We are making an educational video, purpose knowledge sharing. I request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.